It's Christmas morning, and one of the Christmas presents that my son got was a Discovery DIY Prize Pod Robot Kit. It has 52 pieces, and it's kind of like a vending machine set. It has 12 transforming capsules. It's educational, scientific, and it's a STEM project robotic toy. You can see my husband and son put it together here. And there's these little balls that transform into little robots. So you can see us here putting the robot back in the ball. And then there's a slot on the robot that you put the ball down and it goes through the machine like a vending machine. So you can see my husband putting it in the back hole of the robot and you crank the arm. You can see my son cranking the arm here and it pushes out the ball. Once the ball comes out, you can open it and make it into a little robot ball-shaped figure toy. It does come with an instruction manual with pictures, so it makes it really easy to put the robot together, really easy to see how to play with the toy once it is put together. He's a bright blue color, super fun. You can see them cranking the arm and the ball popped out. So you can see you can put the ball in the hand as well. So there's two places to put the ball, the back of the head or the other arm. Crank it and it pops out. And you can see here's an up close view of the little robot. So he's really cute. He can stand up. He's got legs, arms, and a head. So if they want to play with it, easy to just play with, set up on your nightstand or shelf in their room, transform it into a ball and play with the robot. This is a great way to explore mechanical engineering. There's fun-filled surprises, and it's a cool retro style robot. You can see the hands and legs slip in really easy. My husband's doing it here. And here's an up-close view of the manual. So I just wanted to show you exactly what to expect when you get it. There is so many different pictures, step-by-step instructions. It is an original unofficial Discovery toy.